Hey guys, welcome back to Big Bad Creators. It's been a while. Look what came in the mail today. I got the 12 volt, 12,000 pound DXT Vulcan Winch. I just ordered this a week ago and it finally arrived today. We're going to be unboxing. I'm going to show you guys what the whole package is, and the next video is going to be a review on how well this winch performs. Alright, so I got my handy dandy knife. Well, it's well packaged. Inside the box, we got the manual, the hose, we got the bolts for the winch, and synthetic rope. Alright, so we got the winch remote. Smells new. Here, and we got the winch itself. Also, what's this? What you got for the battery? So here we have the whole winch. It already has a synthetic rope. We got the control box, two wireless remote, a wired remote. It's also rubbery. Well, I think it's good. So at least you don't have to. It doesn't crack when you bash it. And we got a fair lead as well. Got the winch hook, and we got the rubber for the full box. And so far this is it. Well, I guess there's just a bit of a problem because we got some scratches. I guess this was from the control box because it was packed. Something like this. And then I guess it kept on moving while it was being shipped. Alright, stay tuned to our next video. We're going to be showing a full review on the winch. And if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And I'll see you in our next video.
There's a winch, there's a way, let's go, let's go! Sa Lord, 20 lang sa may power. Dili pa kakuha ni mong luyo. Kung asa bitaw ang makita ni mo ng blanket, ang sa imong reaching point.